Hey yo, how are you gonna unbox the mini printer, thermal printer? Now, I show you this. It, oh yeah, yeah, I show you this. According, okay. So I thought about it, but maybe wait a minute. Okay. So did I show you? So the thermal printer simply does when you the row and on it, and simply want to say if you double click, assemble printer will be appear. Cool, yeah, but uh, did I show you the inside of it? Let me show. I already tackled the nuts, so it's good. And this is the inside of it. Uh, yeah, probably this is only this part, nothing else. Yeah, charging port and the on button and the connector of the battery and stick to it. Connection of and the connection of the printer, terminal, and the motherboard. So if you simply clip this, let me keep it carefully. Yeah. Okay. Now even without that one, without this one, we can print. So don't ask how, bro, but this is the formula. Okay, now this is our main thing. Okay, this is our main thing. This is just a out of protection. Even if you print, do you want to buy? Yeah, a perfect print. Okay, do you want to buy? Comment below. I'll put the link for this one. Okay, let me pair it up. Let me off it. So yeah, it's just a few. Okay, let's connect this to. Okay, wait. Yeah, okay, now let me keep it. Okay, let's keep this one. But another one, not to be correct. Okay, now we'll close. Simple. Now we'll take this one. Buddy, get ready. What should I paint? Come on, below. Should I paint your photos? If you want to paint your photos, then I'll start a community group or any group and do it.